Hello students, in the previous class we learned that force is a cause which results in movement of the body and changes the shape and size of an object. That means whenever force is applied on any object, it affects the object in one way or other. So let us learn what are the effects of a force. A body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with time. Suppose a ball is lying on the ground. As the ball is not moving means ball is at rest. When you kick that ball, you apply some force on it, due to which the ball starts moving in the direction of force. Therefore, force can move a body originally at rest. When any object comes towards you, you apply force in the direction opposite to the direction of motion of that object to make it stop. For example, in cricket match, when batsmen hit a ball, the fielder catches it. Here, a force is applied by the fielder by his hand in the direction opposite to the motion of the ball. So, if any object is moving, we can stop that motion by applying force in the opposite direction. When you play on a swing, you ask your friend to push that swing. Have you noticed what happens when the swing is pushed? Yes, the speed of motion of that swing increases. Means when your friend applies force on the swing in the direction of motion, the swing starts moving faster. So, a force can make a moving body to move faster. When you ride your bicycle, what you do to decrease the speed of that bicycle? Right, you apply brakes. Brakes provide a force which opposes the motion of the bicycle, which results in decreasing the speed of it. So, force can slow down a moving body. While playing badminton, you hit the cork coming towards you, and then that cork changes its direction and starts moving towards your friend. That means the cork which was coming towards you start moving in the opposite direction when you applied force on that cork by hitting it. So, a force can change the direction of motion of a moving body. We have studied in the previous class that stretch or squeeze changes the shape or size of an object. So, when we apply force to stretch a rubber band or spring, or we apply force to squeeze a sponge or a balloon, their shape and size changes. Therefore, a force can change the shape or size of a body.